Better chances than us, I guess. Well, life-threatening danger in the western half of the U.S. Massive wildfires fueled by hot, dry conditions. Now, these pictures are from just outside of Dallas. An entire block was burned by a raging grass fire in Balch Springs. And check this out. This is California, where crews are desperately working to contain the Oak Fire, the state's largest wildfire of the year. Jonathan Vigliotti is in Mariposa County near Yosemite National Park.
At least 17,000 acres have been scorched across Central California, where the Oak Fire has many communities facing potential devastation.
This is not normal.
Thousands of residents are under evacuation orders as the fire leaves a trail of destruction, devouring at least 55 structures, while at least 3,200 homes remain under threat.
The fire was coming quickly. It was now or never. We had to go.
Nearly 3,000 firefighters from all over the state were brought into the steep terrain to battle the flames that scientists link to climate change.
You have really hot weather, 100+ temperatures. You have a lot of unburned fuel that was mainly attributed to the beetle kill in the last few years and extreme drought conditions.
Similar dry conditions are causing havoc nationwide. In Alaska, more than 530 wildfires have burned an area the size of Connecticut. In Texas, dramatic images of a neighborhood engulfed in flames show just how quickly a wildfire can spread. At least 15 homes in this Dallas suburb of Balch Springs were destroyed yesterday after a rotary cutter started a brush fire.
It's just tough, but it's still amazing to see what survives.
Back here in California, Steve and Andrea Ward came back to see their home after watching it burst into flames live on local news.
It's just amazing that trunk is still right there too. I mean, this is amazing.
And the Oak Fire is currently 16% contained. Fire officials say they hope to have this fire fully contained by the weekend. Jonathan Vigliotti, CBS News, Mariposa County, California.